Hey, welcome to the YouTube Scale Model Builders Group Build Update. I'm your host, Dustin from Lamb Chop Builds. Hey, I know I didn't get a video out last week before this, so we got one this week. I didn't have a lot going on, so here we are. First up, we have the 48-hour group build hosted by Modeler coming up next weekend, or 2 weeks from now. Yeah, 2 weeks, July 11th and July 13th end date on that. So if you haven't checked that one out yet, be sure to check it out. I'm not going to be able to participate because of work that weekend, so maybe next year. Then we have the van group build hosted by Douglas Model Garage Videos. That ends on August 31st. We then have the Porsche Group Build 2025. That is from Lucas C's Porsche Model Car Headquarters, ending on September 30th. We have the Motorcycle Group Build going on, hosted by Jamie G and GI Mechanic, ends October 16th. We have the Big Rig Group Build, hosted by Jess Model Garage, ending October 31st. Then we have up the Glory Days Group Build, drag racing, hosted by Big Sky Model Workshop and Dirt Road Cinderella, ending on November 1st. The Race Car Hauler Group Build, hosted by Modeling Hermit, ending on 11/1, November 1st. 2025 NASCAR Group Build, hosted by West Georgia Rods and Customs and Jess Model Garage, ending on November 2nd. Then we have the F1 Group Build 2025, hosted by Box Stock Garage and RKD Scaleworks, ending on December 7th. Then I have my Shop Truck Group Build I'm hosting. That ends December 31st. Then we have the Rally Cool Group Build, hosted by the Scale Model Car Podcast, ending on December 31st. Then we have the Street Machine Group Build, hosted by Blue Ox Model Shop, ending on December 31st. The Out of This World Group Build, hosted by Billy from Frankenstein Creations and Larry from Model Car Madness RI, ending on December 31st. Then we have the Off-Road Group Build, hosted by Card Scale Dreams, ending December 31st. Then we have the Pro Street F and Everything Group Build, hosted by Resins by Reese and Scale Speed Garage, ending December 31st. I have the Custom and Hot Rod Illustrated Group Build, hosted by Paul at Left Coast Model Car Builds, ending December 31st. Then there's the Second Chance Zombie Group Build, hosted by Left Coast Model Car Builds and Jason at KRD, ending January 1st, 2026. Then I have the Light 'em Up Group Build, hosted by Ed from ELH Scale Model Garage, ending March 1st, 2026. Then I have on the list here the 2026 USAC Group Build, being hosted by Lucas C. and Mark Batson, with Fred Henry as the picker this year. That will run from September 15th, 2025 to March 15th, 2026. Then there's the Dazed and Confused Group Build, hosted by West Georgia Rods and Customs and King Bob's Model Works, ending May 26th, 2026. Then an upcoming group build is the Cannonball Run Build, hosted by Billboard Builds. That will run from 8/1/2025 to 8/31/2026, I believe. Then there's the Breast Cancer Awareness 24-hour group build, hosted by Grandpa Mark and Lennis Schultz. That will be on October 11th to October 12th. That's going to be a live video group build. Everyone's free to participate in that. I need to confirm this one based on what the breast cancer awareness announcement included was the Chris Cortell Cancer Awareness Group Build this year, hosted by King Bob's Model Works. That will run from October 1st to October 31st, 2025. And just announced is the Woody's Rock and Roll on Wheels Group Build 2026, hosted by Woody Scale Model Garage, or Woody Scale Models. That will run from July 5th, 2025 to March 1st, 2026. That is all I have as of now. I'm always looking for more videos or more group builds to add to the video. If you know of one or participating in one, reach out, let me know about it, leave a comment. I'll try to, I'll add it in and find what information I can on it for you. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time. Hey, I forgot about a group build. I was going through getting ready to do my editing, and I realized I missed one. It's the Burgers and Beer group build, hosted by Mike at the Intake and Rat Daddy Studios. That starts on July 4th, 2025, and will end on February 4th, 2026. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.